Hey everybody! In this video I'm going to assemble the roof, but before doing that I'm making a template of the ceilings. I don't measure anything, I just use a large sheet of white paper and make indentations with my hands and then cut on those lines. As of right now, I really don't know how I'm going to finish the ceilings, but if I end up wanting to install ceiling paper, the templates will come in handy. And ceiling paper isn't necessary. Typically, the only reason why I install it is to hide tape wire. If you're not going to install tape wire, now is the time to finish the ceiling with your choice of paint. Per the instructions, I'm laying the roof pieces down and putting on tape to hold them together. I'm using Aleene's tacky glue, and then you fold it like a book and set it aside to dry. And here I'm using a small paintbrush to wipe away the excess glue. These are the support pieces that will hold up the roof. I'm taping them together until the glue dries, and there's actually another triangle-shaped piece that goes on these, but I'm going to wait until later to glue those on. Make sure you paint these pieces ahead of time because it will be a lot easier. After the glue dries, the support pieces get glued to the roof, and they fit into the grooves that are on the roof pieces. And make sure you wipe away any excess glue. And now I'm placing the roof on to see how it fits. I'm dry fitting the other roof pieces to see how they go. I'm noticing that I'll have to put siding on some of these pieces before I permanently install them. And now all the roofs are temporarily in place. I will not glue on the main roof until I absolutely have to. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you'll know when I post again. Thanks for watching.